Here's a Magic Chef refrigerator. It's pretty basic. Let's open it up. There is nothing in here right now, but there will be stuff in here like any other refrigerator. As I just got here not that long ago, so that's to be expected. The controls on the inside. LED bulb works. I don't see any model sticker in here, but I believe it's in the freezer. So let's open the freezer. It's pretty basic here as well, and I don't see any sticker in here either. So this thing is basically an unknown model, as the title is, but it is what it is. But anyways, I figured I want to share this, so that is it.